You like that? Green, a violet. I want here, oh, you can pick here inside, oh, like colors. I love colors. Probably not limon. Na, eat it. Ikhlas, wala mo rin na ipit sa kamot. You want to pick, Lala? You want to pick here inside? There's nothing here, oh. You can choose whatever you like. You can open this one. Look, huh? You can open that. You want to open it? Huh? You want to open it, Lala? You want it? You want me to open it? Why did you close it already? You're not done yet. Huh? Done yet, man. Okay, okay. You can open it. Sige, open. Open, open, open. You cannot open it. Okay, imong close the rate. Malisod eh. Malisod din tayo. Ha? You can open it here, Day. Oh. Don't close there. Oh, let me help you. Let me help you, please. You don't want me to help you. Oh my God. Then, what can we do now? We cannot see what is inside. What is inside? Oh, look at that. How if I will on you? I will help you how to open. Why did you close it already? It's open man kanina. Baby, I'm gonna open this one, please. Oh, you don't like? Huh? How can we see inside? You keep on here. Okay. You have we have red, rose, and flower. Then next, let me help you. Wait, we have white. You like white milk and white rabbit, Lala? Like that? Blue. You like blue? Big bow, cap, and saucer. Abaray, bakit yan? Huh? Here, oh, you like yellow, Lala? You have sunflower and lemon. And next, you have black. You have tartus. Okay. Next, Lala, please. Uy, okay na, balik ang white rabbit. Okay, balik sa akin. Ay, naku. Okay, fine, whatever. You choose what you like. Just don't close it. Yeah. Okay, Lala. Red. You can mention red. You like red, Lala. The flower and car.